Hello everyone. Let us now discuss LeetCode question number 3370. Identify the largest outlier in an array. So this question is asked in weekly contest 426. Now, here we are given with n elements in an array. Now, from these elements, we need to take n minus 2 elements exactly, and we call these elements as special numbers. So, if there are 10 elements, we call 8 numbers as special numbers. Now, there will be two remaining numbers. In this two, this is the sum of special numbers, and this is not present in these elements, special numbers, and it is right like 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 will not be present in this special numbers, because if 6 is present in this sum, then the sum will not be 6. It will be increased, or it will be greater than 6. Now, we need to find this element. This is called as outlier. So we need to find the largest potential outlier. Let us go through an example. So in this example, we are given with 2, 3, 5, 10. If you see clearly, 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now this will be the sum element, and these are special numbers. So see clearly. If you take these special numbers, this sum 2 plus 3 will be equal to this number 5. Now, this will be our largest potential outlier. So, how we can know 10 is our outlier? As I have said that these two will be equal. That means there is only one element which we need to find out. So, the simplest way is find out the total sum. Total sum. Find out the total sum. Now, the sum will be here 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. So total sum will be 20. Now, we need to iterate through these elements, and we need to take sum as the current element, and we need to find out what is this outlier. So let us get to this intuition. Imagine if we are at 5. Now, the remaining elements, special elements, will be having 5 as the sum, and there is an outlier. So 5 plus 5 again. This will be the special numbers, and then outlier. So I will write here 5 plus 5 plus outlier will be the total sum. So we are finding out this one. So these are the sum of special numbers, and this is the sum. So instead of taking 5 and 5, we can take, this is the current element we are iterating through 5 into 2 plus outlier is equal to total sum. Now outlier will be total sum minus 2 into 5 clearly. Now what is 5 here? 5 is our iterating element. Iterating element. So we iterate through our nums and take every element as some element, whether it satisfies, whether we got outlier. We need to check whether it is maximum or not. But wait, we got an outlier, But we need to also check whether is it present in our nums So here in this question we got 10 as the outlier, and 10 is also present in nums, so we can consider it as an outlier. So here the approach will be take unordered map for frequency. Take this initially and initialize maximum outlier as int min, and then as I said, total sum will be calculated initially. Total sum is equal to accumulate nums dot begin comma nums dot end comma 0. This will give us the total sum of the nums, and then we need to iterate through nums and increase frequency, and then we need to iterate through nums again, through nums again, and assume the current element as current sum. Now in this we need to decrease the frequency of current sum, and then at last we need to increase it again after some operations. Now this operation will be calculating our outlier. So current outlier will be total sum minus current sum into 2. That is what we did here. In this, outlier is equal to total sum minus 2 into 5. 5 is our current sum. Now, and then maximum outlier is equal to maximum of maximum outlier and current outlier. Then after that we will be returning our maximum outlier. So you will be getting the code. Thank you.